News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Judicial Academy, Goa Shipyard Limited, Indian Air Force, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, and ICAR National Research Centre on Mithun. Let's know about the legal status and governance of National Judicial Academy, NJA. National Judicial Academy is an independent society established in 1993 under the Societies Registration Act 1860. The Honourable Chief Justice of India is the Chairman of the General Body of NJA as well as the Chairman of the Governing Council, the Executive Committee and the Academic Council of NJA. National Judicial Academy is fully funded by the Government of India. The Director, National Judicial Academy, is the Principal Executive Officer of NJA. The Director is appointed by the Chairman, the Honourable Chief Justice of India. National Judicial Academy invites applications to fill up the following positions: 1 post of Assistant Accounts Officer, 1 post of Assistant Accountant, and 1 post of Electrician. Applications complete in all respects should be received by NJA in person or by post or by courier in a sealed cover addressed to the concerned authority latest by 15th June 2021. Application form and other terms and conditions are available in Academy website www.nja.nic.in. Next, let's know about Goa Shipyard Limited and its vacancy. As India took its first steps as a political entity in 1947, the policy makers recognized that it would be in the country's best interest to cultivate indigenous warship building as a strategic capability. In 1961, after Goa's liberation, the potential of a small shipyard to contribute towards this national aspiration was recognized. The yard, later renamed Goa Shipyard Limited, was consciously shaped, developed and upgraded to become one of the country's premier defence shipbuilding hubs on the west coast. Over the years, Goa Shipyard Limited gradually developed to meet the growing shipbuilding needs of the country's naval defence sector, in the process going on to design and build a wide range of vessels for the defence as well as the commercial sectors. As one of the few Indian shipyards equipped with an in-house design capability, GSL carries out its own research and development, in the process developing an in-house product range that efficiently meets the specific requirements of clients in the defence as well as commercial sectors in the fields of design, construction, repair and modernization of vessels. Most new shipbuilding projects at GSL are based on in-house design, the result of intensive R&D activity carried out over the years. Goa Shipyard Limited, established in 1957, is a leading ISO 9001-2015 certified shipyard on the west coast of India, functioning under the administrative control of Ministry of Defence, Government of India. GSL is strategically located on the banks of River Zuari in Goa, a major international tourist destination, well connected by its international airport and major port en route all important shipping lines. Beginning as a small barge building yard, GSL has garnered reputation as one of the most sophisticated shipbuilders in the country. For over 4 decades, GSL has designed, built and commissioned a wide range of sophisticated vessels for varied applications in the defence and commercial sectors, with special expertise in building modern patrol vessels of steel and aluminium hull structure. Goa Shipyard Limited invites online applications for the post as listed below. Applications are invited from Indian nationals only for 1 post of General Manager Projects on direct recruitment. Eligible and interested candidates are required to apply online through the website www.goashipyard.in. For detailed advertisements such as general conditions for applying, qualifications, experience, age limit, application format, etc., please visit the career page of the website www.goashipyard.in. The applicants may apply online till 1700 hours on 31st May 2021. Guidelines for applying online will be detailed out on the website. The candidates, after successfully submitting applications through online application system, are required to retain a printout of their application for future use. Candidates should post the demand draft wherever applicable to Goa Shipyard Limited so as to reach on or before 10th June 2021. In the event of finding difficulty to apply online, please contact through email, that is recruitment@goashipyard.com. In continuation of the office recruitment notice published in Employment News dated 3rd to 9th April 2021 regarding filling up of Group C civilian post in Indian Air Force on direct recruitment basis, the last date of submission of application by the eligible candidate is hereby extended by 45 days only for the purpose of submission of application by the eligible candidate. There is no change in crucial date for determining age limit, which will remain same as given in advertisement in Employment News dated 3rd to 9th April 2021. Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, RCF, is a leading profit-making company in the business of manufacturing and marketing of fertilizers and industrial chemicals, having sales turnover of around Rs 9,826.60 crores. The manufacturing units are in Maharashtra at Thal, Raigad and at Trombay, Chembur, Mumbai with national level marketing network. RCF manufactures urea, complex fertilizers, biofertilizers, micronutrient, 100% water-soluble fertilizers, soil conditioners and a wide range of industrial chemicals. The Ujjwala, urea and Safala complex fertilizer brands of fertilizers manufactured by RCF carry high brand equity and are recognized brands all over the country. These products are taken to the farthest corner of the country by extensive RCF dealers network spread throughout the country. Besides fertilizer products, RCF also produces a large number of industrial chemicals that are important for the manufacture of dyes, solvents, leather, pharmaceuticals, and a host of other industrial products. Their value statement is to deal in all aspects of business with integrity, honesty, transparency, and with utmost respect to the stakeholders by honoring their commitments, providing results, and striving for highest quality. Company provides excellent career growth opportunities. Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited desires to recruit 4 posts of Manager Finance. Interested candidates may refer to the recruitment section of the company's website www.rcfltd.com for further details. Last date for online registration of application by candidates is 27th May 2021. Please note that candidates who have already applied for the said post of Manager Finance against advertisement dated 26th February 2021 need not apply again. ICAR National Research Centre on Mithun, Mezzifema, Nagaland invites applications from eligible candidates through email for walk-in interview or online interview for engaging one position of young professional to purely on contractual basis under ICAR NRC on Mithun, Porba, Pheg District, Nagaland for 1 year and further extendable for 2 more years on or before 5th June 2021. For detailed terms and conditions, interested candidates may visit the Institute's website www.nrcmithun.icar.gov.in or National Career Service Portal. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.